Nandini. This is also from class 10. Here we have made safety of house with modern technology. That will just in the case if rain will happen, here rain droplets will come. Then the clothes inside, outside that will be go inside.
And this is water conservation. When the water is overloaded in the field, then the water is go to this tank and the water is get purified. And then purified water go in the water tank and this up. Then after the water tank water overloaded water is go in the field. And due to this water conservation is happened.
Better up. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Aniket Singh. This is project gravity battery. When air consumed by the hair of air, wind turbine will move and generate electricity. This electricity is stored in the battery and help the motor go upside. This motor lifted the heavy weight for generating electricity. Here you can see it can be used in the future for the using their materials. Okay, thank you, ma'am. That's it also.
We have made a DNA extraction. You know why the two banana look like similar, but they are not different. This is the presence of DNA. So DNA is genetic information of our body. It is a double meaning structure that is later extension. And it also it is present in the nucleus of the cell of our body. So we can see just an experiment of banana DNA extraction. So here is the DNA of banana. We extract it with the use of alcohol, isopropyl alcohol.
If the droplets will fall on this, then you stop.
Okay, you want to explain? I will record from the beginning. Okay.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Certification. This is factory adhesive chimney. We had made a process collected from factory chimneys to transfer into this carbon absorber and from here the clean air will come. In this chamber we have used mechanism for separating carbon from the smoke. We have used carbon absorbing material as content for the same purpose, and from this carbon will be removed from the smoke and clean air will be released from the city. This is a gun. Once you are going to the side, the fan automatically comes down and at the same time allows for the light stand. So this exercise can shows that a simple sensor and automation can make it lifesaver. Stay safe, stay aware. That's it. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Lavya Kumari, with my co-host Archana Kumari. As we see in our society that many parents and guardians force their children to do doctoring or engineering, but they did not ask their children what they want to become. By the force, when children go to give the exam and they did not pass the exam, they do suicide. Most of the children do suicide is bad because it is engineering. Today, we are showing our anti-suicide and based model designed to make hostel school safe. This one when someone touches the bee, sensory technique we have used a vibration sensor which is attached to the brain. When human touches it, it automatically comes down. And at the same time, let's see. This is a girl when she is going to do suicide, the fan automatically comes down and at the same time allow brother alarm. So this anti-suicide fan shows that the simple sensor and automation can make excellent lifesaver. And last I want to say that please build this type of fan in all the program hostels and don't force on children who are doing doctoring or engineering because if they are in children, there is life. Children are gold in life. Thank you.
And no maintenance cost because there are no bills grinding on the rails. The concept of this train is to show the logistic limitation and support
Good
the
morning, ma'am.
female
Myself Ragni Kumari with my co-host Archana Kumari. As we see in our society that many parents and guardians force their children to do doctoring or engineering, but they did not ask their children what they want to become. By the force, when children go to give the exam and they did not pass the exam, they do suicide.
This concept is based on Mega Line train. The train stays slightly lifted off because of the magnetic repulsion. Since it doesn't have the tracks,
This one looks normal,
Design shows how the friction can be reduced. Regular trains are known for the smoother travel, less maintenance cost, and less noise. The concept of this model is to show the mega levitating train, and it supports the cleaner, faster, and reliable transport. Thank you.
As you know, there was a plane crash in Ahmedabad in which many people died. And so here we have used a model showing an aeroplane. Whenever the engine of the aeroplane will fail, the pilot will get the information and press an emergency button due to which the cabin will detach from the aeroplane and the passengers could be saved. And here we have used a carbon absorber which absorbs the harmful particles from the air and purify it into fresh air. And here we have made a jelly bomb prevention model. Whenever